Hi, this is Josette Desrosiers, owner of California Hair Extension Salon Academy and Hair Loss Center. I just completed a course at Hair Compounds, which is one of my vendors, on 2 of the techniques that I do teach in my class, which is the Brazilian hair knots and pole weaving.
As soon as she started doing this, putting this hair on, this extensions, it was aromatic. You just had to feel better, you look better, I mean younger even.
I love doing this technique. It's like playing the harp. As a student, you get all the tools necessary to perform that technique properly. Perfect. It feels like the tension of guitar strings. There's different types of keratin adhesives, and some will break your hair. But I've done my research. My clients love it. They could tell the difference.
Just to see that type of hair she was using, it was very nice and natural.
Your hair is an investment in you and how you feel about yourself. Education will take you everywhere. And if you're like me, if you're hungry, I want to learn all the things I can. Not only is it going to make my clients feel good, but that's going to increase the paper in my pocket. And don't worry if English is your second language. We talk with our hands as cosmetologists, and that's universal. And you know, you guys may look at these techniques and be like, oh my God, that looks so hard, I can never do it. No, you can do anything you want to if you practice and you try, and you are determined not to be beat. Give me a call and let's give you good hair. Bye.